My name is Iliana Valiente. I'm Managing Director at Accenture Canada, where I lead our innovation strategy and our blockchain practice. What we're seeing is a lot of clients dealing with uncertainty. And as a result, it means that the historical approach to strategic planning needs to evolve. The answer for a retailer, if COVID becomes cyclical, is going to be quite different from the scenario if we see a case of rapid remission. And it will be quite different depending on the timelines at play here as well. So we're recommending that organizations spend time to do multiple scenarios and choose the option that gives them clear visibility into a resilient path forward. The first is all around a focus on people, both employees as well as customers. Employees expect open and transparent communication. There is also room for reskilling to allow for a more flexible workforce. Customers, on the other hand, are looking to brands to meet their ever-changing needs, such as an emphasis on online shopping and e-commerce. The second thing is physical space, especially as we look to reopen and redesigning those spaces to allow for appropriate social distancing protocols and to ensure that all visitors, employees, and customers feel equally safe and engaged in the space. The third item is their cost structure. How to get costs under control, moving to a more elastic model, embracing as-a-service constructs, using cloud to take out costs, and to reinvest in the future of their business, particularly in data, AI, to allow for more insight-driven decision-making. Supply chain questions are on the top of executives' minds in the retail sector. We recently finished working with a large North American food grocer to better anticipate and plan for the changes in demand for the products on their shelves. We did this leveraging data and artificial intelligence as well as human insights to create a more resilient supply chain. As a result, the retailer was able to keep the shelves stocked with the most commonly demanded products as a result of COVID, meeting their customer expectations. Retail reopening and scenario planning. My name is Iliana Valiente. I'm Managing Director at Accenture Canada, where I lead our innovation strategy and our blockchain practice.